For those who use the password management service LastPass, be on the lookout for suspicious emails and calls from individuals claiming to be with the organization's support staff. We'll cover why this new scam is not what you typically expect as we sit down and sync up with Rocket IT's weekly technology update. Hello everyone, I'm Chris Swinson, Technology Insider here at Rocket IT, and welcome to Sync Up, your new home for trending technology news. Recently, LastPass announced the discovery of a new phishing scam impacting its users. Now, this phishing scam is a little different from what you might be used to, so let's dive into the details now. So, unlike many phishing campaigns where scammers have to create phishing emails, phone scripts, and websites all on their own, this campaign relies on what's called a phishing kit. A phishing kit is a set of tools that comes pre-packaged on the dark web, giving cybercriminals everything they need to set up fake websites and communications easily. These kits are designed to look as real as possible so that you unknowingly provide them with your personal information. This particular phishing kit, called Crypto Chameleon, has been adapted to mimic popular brands like Gmail, iCloud, Outlook, Twitter, Yahoo, and AOL already. And as of late last week, LastPass was informed that materials branded to its likeness were added to the kit as well. Now, here's how this scam works. It starts with an automated call claiming there's been unauthorized access to your LastPass account. You're then either prompted to press 1 or 2 on your phone to allow or block the unauthorized access. If you opt to block the supposed access, you then get a follow-up call from a fake LastPass employee. With this follow-up call, you also receive a phishing email from an address that looks legitimate but directs you to a fake LastPass website. Entering your credentials here gives the attackers access to your account and the ability to lock you out. So how exactly can you spot this scam? First, be wary of phone calls or emails that push you to take immediate action. Official communications from LastPass will never rush you or ask you to disclose information over the phone. Also, look for misspelled URLs or email addresses, and be cautious with links in emails, especially if they use URL shorteners. Finally, it's been found that this campaign uses the email subject line, "We're here for you." So if you see that line included, it's likely a scam. Now, if you do receive a suspicious call or email, don't click any links or provide any information. Instead, report that phishing attempt directly to LastPass by emailing abuse@lastpass.com. But if you should receive communication in reference to a business account, there is one extra step that's needed. Having credentials stolen to a critical business account can result in company-wide downtime, data loss, and costly remediation. Therefore, if you ever are suspicious of a phone call or email, make sure to contact your organization's IT department immediately. And of course, should you not have an IT department on hand, Rocket IT is here to help. With over 29 years of experience in the cybersecurity industry, our team of technologists are not only experts at mitigating breaches, but also training teams on the telltale signs of an attack. For more information on Rocket IT's services, contact us using the link in this video's description. And stay up to date on trending technology news, hit that subscribe button and the bell to catch us on next week's episode of Sync Up with Rocket IT.